Hello there, this is Malinda with Bump That Jam Line Dance. I am here with a tutorial to a dance that I choreographed. It's by the legendary group, the OJs. The title of the song is Darlin, Darlin, Baby. It has two main parts. It's a two-wall line dance, front and back. And the song is not 100% consistent, but I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know to do this dance successfully. I'm going to turn my back towards you so that you can follow along. All right, so part one. You're going to start with a rock to the right and left and right. So it's right, left, right, left. Again, right, left, right, left. Then you're going to take your right foot, cross it in front, cross and step. Then your left foot pushes forward, left, right, left. Once again, so from the top, right, left, cross, step, step, left, right, step. Again, right, left, cross, step, step, push, step. Actually, you're actually going to turn around to repeat on that last step. So it's right, left, cross and step, left, step, turn. Then you do it again to the back wall. Right, left, right foot, cross in front, left, step, and turn. Then you do it for the third time. The third time you do not turn around. It's right, left, cross, right step, and left, and stop there. So on the first part of the song, you do it 3 times. You turn the first 2, and then the third one is to the front. Next step, you're going to travel to your right. It's a shuffle to the right. So you take your right foot, step and step, little shuffle, and then you take your left foot, face the wall, step, pivot, turn with the left foot. Looks like this. 1 and 2, step 3, turn 4. Again. Shuffle to the right, step left, turn. After this step, you're going to do a step cross, left, right, pause, left, right, like this. Left, right, again, left, right. And there's a short pause in between those two. So let's try that again. The shuffle, ready? Shuffle to the right, step left, pivot, left, right. All right, let's start that from all the way from the top. 5, 6, rocking it to the right, left, cross in front, right foot, cross and step, left, step and turn. Right, left, cross and step, step and turn. Right, left, don't turn this time, cross and step, step and step together. To the right, shuffle to the right, step left, pivot, left, right. After you do this part, you're going to do a touch with the left foot. It's like a little touch, like a little push off by itself. After you push off, you're going to push 1 and 2, open 3, close 4. So let me go over that really quickly. Let's start from the shuffle. Ready? Shuffle to the right, step left, turn, left, right, touch. From here, you go behind, cross 1 and 2, out 3, close 4. Once again, starting from the shuffle, shuffle to the right, step, pivot, left, right, touch behind 1 and 2, out 3, close 4. From here, you're going to turn, left foot touches out on 5, out 5, close 6, out 7 on the right, lift on 8. Let's do all of those counts together. Ready, shuffling to the right. Ready, shuffle to the right, step left, pivot, left, right, touch. 1 and 2, out 3, close 4, turn, out 5, close 6, out 7, lift 8. I'm going to say left, right on this time. 5, 6, shuffle to the right, shuffle to the right, step, left pivot, left, right, left, touch, left and right, out, right, close, right, open, left, close, left, out, right, lift, right. All right? From there, you're going to shuffle to the right, cha-cha forward on the right foot. So you just did out, lift, you're going to cha-cha right, cha-cha left. Again. So I'm going to go back to the front to see how it connects. Ready? It's shuffle to the right, step, turn left, right, touch. 1 and 2, out 3, close 4, out 5, close 6, out 7, lift 8. Here we go. Cha-cha right, cha-cha left. From here, you want to rock forward on the right foot, rock, recover, cha-cha left, heading back to the front wall. Okay? So I'm going to start with the leg lift on 8, 7, 8, cha-cha right, cha-cha left, right foot, recover, cha-cha right. Now we're going to do a turn. Left, with the left foot leading, turning over your right shoulder. So it'll look like this. Left foot, right foot, and then cha-cha left. Looking like this. I'm going to turn over my right shoulder with my left foot. It'll look, so you're here, and it'll go left, right, left, cha-cha left. The left foot leading. All right? So let's do that again. No, let's start from the shuffle. Ready? And shuffle to the right, step left, pivot, left, right, out, up and 2, out 3, close 4. Now on 5, you're turning and you're sticking your left foot out. Out 5, close 6, out 7, lift 8. Cha-cha right foot. Cha-cha right, cha-cha left, right foot, come back. Cha-cha right, turn, left, right, and then cha-cha with the left. Okay? From here, you're going to, the music will hit a beat. Bop, 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 bop. You'll do a little rock with your right foot and hit and hit. You kind of roll with it. Okay? All right, you need to stay there. I'm going to do the whole sequence. Ready? And shuffle to the right, step left, pivot left, right, touch. 1 and 2, out 3, close 4, out 5, close 6, out 7, lift 8. Cha-cha right foot, cha-cha left foot, rock, recover, right foot, left foot back, cha-cha, turn left, right, left foot forward, cha-cha. And hit, and hit. On the 2 parts of the song, there's a space for 4 sailor steps. It goes with the lyrics. I'm gonna do my best to give it to you, to give it to you, to give it to you. On that part, you're gonna do 4 sailor steps. So from the step out, then it's sailor step, sailor step, sailor step, sailor step. And then you start from the top. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Push, step, and right, left, cross in front, step, and push. The second time, you only do that twice. You don't do a third one. You go straight into the sequence, footwork, step to the right, step left, pivot, left, right, touch. 1 and 2, out 3, close 4, out 5, close 6, out 7, lift 8. Cha-cha right foot, cha-cha left foot, right foot, recover, cha-cha back, 1 and 2, step, step left, and hit, and hit. And that is the whole dance. The only difference is at the very beginning, the song isn't, it has a different sequence from the beginning to the end. So there is a part 1 at the very beginning. Once you do this part of the song, it never comes back. So let me go over that part. I should have gone over it before, but it's not a part of the regular sequence. So let me just teach you this part. It's at the very top of the song. So you start with right, left, cross in front, step and push, turn around. And right, left, cross in front, step and push left. And third one, 1, 2, don't turn this time, cross and step right here. Now we'll do the sequence, but we don't finish it. It looks like this. Shuffle to the right, step left, turn left, step right. Out from here, it's 1 and 2, out 3, close 4. On 5, you travel to the left, you cross 4, cross your right foot in front. 5, 6, open 7, 8, cross 1, 2, open 3, 4, and then you're going to do a pivot to the left, half turn, half pivot, and then a quarter pivot with your right foot. Right foot, pivot, right foot again, quarter, back to the front. That's the very first sequence at the beginning of the song. Let me go through that part one more time. I'm going to start with the shuffle to the right. Ready? Shuffle to the right, step left, pivot left, right, touch. 1 and 2, out 3, close 4, cross right foot, 5, 6, open 7, 8, cross 1, 2, open 3, 4, we're going to pivot, half pivot, 5, 6, pivot, 7, 8, back to the front. And then that part leaves, it never comes back. We just continue with the regular sequence of the dance. And remembering those sailor steps at just those, there's 2 parts where we do the sailor steps. So I'm going to do the dance in its entirety so that you can see how it all meshes together. All right, here we go. Hey, here we go.
You're everything I ever hoped for.
Darling, Darling Baby line dance. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you give it a try. Try to follow along. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much. It's Malinda signing off. Bump that jam. Thank you.